video is the working pinciple introduction. Firstly, we will introduce the main configuration.
这是激光电源。
This is a laser device, the laser source.
它是给这个激光管供高压电。
Laser power supply for the laser tube. This is a resi laser tube. The power is 80 kilovolts.
就是激光管受高压电激发之后，它就是发出那个激光。
The laser tube will issue the laser beam if triggered by the laser power supply.
这个黑色的里边有一个反光镜。
This is the black part has the reflection lens.
反光镜把这个光反射到。
This reflection lens will reflect the laser beam.
反射到这里也有一个反光镜。
Into this black part, and there is also a reflection lens in this black part. And then this reflection lens will reflect the laser beam into this place. There is a reflection lens. In total, there are 3 reflection lenses.
反射之后，这里边有一个聚焦镜。
There is a focus lens inside the laser head. The focus lens will focus all the laser beam into one point, and the laser beam will get through this focus lens and will be focused.
它聚焦之后的焦点就是集中在咱设定的这个材料的表面。
The laser beam will be pointed on the surface of the material, on the pointed area.
这是光的过程。
This is the laser beam's creating progress.
传导轴是这一个步进电机。
For the transmission, this is the stepper motor. Stepper motor driven by belt.
步进电机它动，然后这个传动轴旋转。
The driven motor move, then this rotary axis will rotate.
它就带动这个横梁前后移动。
And the rotation will drive the beam, the cross beam, run forward and backward.
然后 X 轴那个和它道理是一样，也是电机在这边。
The principle is the same for X-axis. This is the X-axis motor, stepper motor. When the stepper motor runs, then the rotary axis will be rotated. Then the laser head will move left and right. Principle is same.
这样它两个光和机械配合，它就能按照它图形完成这个切割或者雕刻这个。
By the cooperation of the laser beam and also the mechanical transmission, the machine will complete all the whole working process to engrave or carve or cut on the processing material.
这就完成了这个。
That's all. Thank you.